Hi friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. Kindly subscribe to the channel for the latest market updates and also the multi-bagger tips. Please don't forget to press the bell icon so you'll receive all the notification what I am providing on my community tab. Usually the small updates I'll provide on my community tab. Today also I have provided one short-time recommendation for Ruby members, and also currently we are going to discuss about the wealth creator stock number 12. So as I told you, when we start this series, there will be 50 videos. Out of that 50 videos, I will provide 5 videos to the general public. So already I was provided the SIP number 1 to the general public 2 weeks back, and this is our 12th stock recommendations, and this video is also available to the general public, and also the remaining videos are available in the playlist. You can find all these videos are exclusive for the channel members from Elite and onwards. This stock series, the wealth creator stocks are like something like a fixed deposit in the Indian stock market, and even during the market crash, this kind of stocks will not be get affected. You can see here that in the last 5 days the entire index was fall almost 5 to 6%. You can see here, but the Housing Development and Finance Corporation Limited HDFC fall only 1.74%. And while we are seeing the last 5 years the company growth, if you see, gradually it is moving ahead only. You can see here almost 950.54% growth was happened in past 10 years, and still the stock is moving ahead only. So this kind of stocks are called as wealth creator stocks. So we have to keep on adding this kind of stocks and don't book profit. Please don't invest in 1 or 2 stocks. Always you have to take all these 50 stocks in your watch list and try to keep adding whenever you have fund. So according to our channel policy, we have to maintain almost 40% of your portfolio in wealth creator stocks. This is to protect your wealth, and also this is to protect your gain, and also to maintain your portfolio even during the market crash. So before we are going into the video, please don't forget to refer to the membership options. There are 3 types of memberships are available: Elite, Emerald and Ruby. All these wealth creator stock series are available to the members from Elite onwards, and also all the multi-bagger stock recommendations are available to Emerald onwards, and also all the short-time stock recommendations and also exit strategies are available to members Ruby. Today also I have updated one short-time recommendations, and also usually all our short-time recommendations are providing almost 30 to 50% profit within the span of 1 to 2 months time, and our recommendations are only fundamentally potential stocks, and we are not dealing with any kind of gambling stocks. So this is to protect your wealth, and also this is to ensure that your capital is not getting lost in stock market. So usually the other channels, their recommendations are usually the gambling stocks, and it will give you a profit for the span, a short time span. After that, the entire profit and also entire wealth what you have made, everything you will lose in the stock market itself. So this is not that kind of recommendations. Usually according to our channel policy, we have to maintain almost 40% of the stock in wealth creator. The 40% of your portfolio you have to maintain as wealth creator, and also the remaining 30% you can maintain in your you can maintain as multi-bagger. So usually the multi-baggers will give you a short time gain, a huge gain, but we have to maintain our entry and also the exit. The proper time we have to enter, and also we have to take the exit at the proper time. Otherwise we will lose the money, or we will lose our gain in stock market itself. And also the wealth creators are totally different. As I told you, usually these kind of stocks will stable even including the market crash. If you see the Housing Development and Finance Corporation Limited HDFC, you can see here in past 10 years it given almost 954% gain. It given 950.54% gain was given in past 10 years, and still the stock is moving ahead. So while we are going to the fundamental of the company, you can see here in 2017 the company's reserve was 59,690, and it becomes 90,513 in 2018, and also in 2019 it becomes 110,243, and in 2020 it becomes 125,054 crore, and also in March 2021 it becomes 154,770 crore. So you can see the growth of reserve and surplus, you can see here the reserve is getting increased year to year. And while we are going to the income statement of the company, you can see a gradual growth in the income year to year. The March 2017, the company was generating almost 61,034 crore sales, and while we are coming to March 2021, it becomes 139,033 crore. You can see the clear cut growth of profit. You can see it made almost more than double in 5 years. And while we are coming to the profitability of the company, as long as the sale is getting increased, the profit margin also getting increased. You can see here in March 2017, the company was generated 61,034 crore sale. As I told you, the company generated almost 8,628 crore profit. And while we are coming to March 2021, as I told you, 139,033 crore sale has been made. Out of that, 13,566 crore profit the company has been made. So this is called as potential stocks and also wealth creator. And also while we are seeing the market price and also the company's growth are proportional. So we have to hold this kind of stocks as wealth creators. So don't book profit in HDFC Limited, and current book value per share is 907.18 and face value per share is 2 and market capitalization is 514,381 crore. Currently the stock is trading at 2,841.50. You can keep on adding HDFC Limited, the Housing Development Finance Corporation Limited, even at the current price, and also in coming years keep on adding it. Please don't book profit. Try to hold this kind of shares. These are the wealth creator. So like an SIP, keep on adding it. Try to include all my recommendations, the 50 stock recommendations which I am providing as the wealth creator. Try to create a watch list and keep on adding these stocks whenever you have fun. Surely these stocks will lead your portfolio in coming days, coming years. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also please don't forget to press the bell icon, and you can refer to the membership options Elite, Emerald and Ruby. So once again, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.